Hello students, welcome once again to our channel. In this video, we are going to see class 7 ICSE Geography, chapter 3, Weather and Climate. This is the part 2 of this video series. Come on, let us move on to the chapter. Let us continue with the question 11. Before that, don't forget to subscribe this channel and share it with your friends and relatives. Explain about temperate zone. Location. In the northern hemisphere, it lies between Tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5 degree north latitude, and Arctic Circle, 66.5 degree north latitude. In the southern hemisphere, it lies between Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degrees south latitude, and Antarctic Circle, that is 66.5 degree south latitude. Features. The important features of this zone is it receives moderate insolation, it has moderate temperature, it is neither too cold nor too hot. The next one is explain about frigid zone. Location. In the northern hemisphere, it lies between Arctic Circle, that is 66.5 degree north latitude, and North Pole, that is 90 degree north. In the southern hemisphere, it lies between Antarctic Circle, that is 66.5 degrees south latitude, and South Pole, that is 90 degrees south. Now, features. It receives minimum insolation. Sun's rays fall slanting throughout the year. It is the coldest part of the earth. Next question, define atmospheric pressure. The atmosphere exerts, in other words, applies a pressure on the Earth's surface. This is called atmospheric pressure. Next one, what is the normal atmospheric pressure at mean sea level? That is 76 centimeters of the mercury column. What does it mean actually? There is a conventional barometer called Torricelli's barometer. It was devised by the scientist Torricelli. It has a trough which is filled with mercury and a long 1 meter tube, something like a test tube, which is 1 meter in length, is kept upside down, inverted in that mercury column. And if the setup is taken to a sea level and placed over there, the mercury in the trough rises up in the tube to a certain height. That height is nothing but 76 centimeter marked in that tube. That's why the normal atmospheric pressure at mean sea level is called 76 centimeters of the mercury column. Next one is, what is millibar? Express the normal atmospheric pressure in millibar. Millibar is the unit to measure atmospheric pressure. Normal atmospheric pressure in millibar is nothing but 1013 millibar. Next question. What are the factors on which the atmospheric pressure depends on? Number 1, temperature of the air. Number 2, density of the air. Number 3, height of the place above the mean sea level. Number 4, amount of moisture present in the air. What is meant by moisture? The amount of water content present in the air. Next one, how are areas of low pressure and high pressure created? First one is low pressure. The air on the Earth's surface expands due to heat and becomes light. It becomes light in weight. So it rises upward and creates an area of low pressure. Next one is high pressure. The air in the upper region contracts due to cold and becomes heavy. So it moves downward and settles down and creates an area of high pressure. Next question, how does the atmospheric pressure change? Number one, it decreases with an increase in temperature. That means the atmospheric pressure and temperature are inversely proportional. When one increases, the other one decreases. So, when the temperature increases, the atmospheric pressure decreases. Second point is, it decreases with an increase in altitude. What is meant by an altitude? It means height. So as we go up and up, the atmospheric pressure decreases. That's why when we go to hill stations like Ooty and Kodaikanal, we feel that the atmospheric pressure decreases. Third one, moist air exerts less pressure than dry air. Fourth one, the Earth's rotation also changes its distribution. So the atmospheric pressure also depends on the rotation of the Earth. With this video has come to an end. Let us meet in the next video with another set of questions.
Like, share and comment and subscribe our channel and click the bell button for more videos. Thank you.